Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to add a folder to File Explorer. First, open File Explorer by pressing the Windows key and E together on your keyboard. The File Explorer window will open up. Now navigate to the folder you want to add. Browse through your folders in the main viewing area until you can see the specific folder you want to pin. You need to be looking at the folder from outside, not inside it. If you're currently viewing the files inside the folder, back up one level so the folder itself is visible as an item. Once you can see your folder in the window, right-click directly on it. If you're on a touchscreen device, you can press and hold instead. A context menu will pop up with several options. In that context menu, look for the option that says Pin to Quick Access and click on it. The folder will appear in the Quick Access section on the left sidebar of your File Explorer window. You'll notice a small thumbtack icon next to the folder name, which shows it's been pinned. Your folder is now added to Quick Access. Here are a few things you can do with it. If you've pinned multiple folders and want to change their order, you can drag and drop them up or down in the Quick Access list to rearrange them however you like. You can also right-click the File Explorer icon on your taskbar to see a jump list with your pinned folders. This gives you quick access without even opening File Explorer first. And if you ever want to remove a folder, right-click on it in the Quick Access section and select Unpin from Quick Access to remove it. Thanks for watching.